It's much easier to make money online using a mere phone. I wish I had known these 10 legit methods earlier. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. 2022 has been a more digitized year than the previous one. People are making money online like crazier than ever before. They are increasingly interested in finding ways to monetize their mobile devices as the industry evolves. There are several methods to make additional money using your phone. Your smartphone could be the perfect tool to add money to your bank account. So here in this video, we'll discuss the best ways to profit from your mobile phone and earn easy money, and review the steps you should take to get started. Be sure to watch the video until the end because number 9 is by far the most passive, lazy way to make money with your phone. You don't want to miss it. Trust me. So whether you are new to making money online or just looking for additional methods to add some extra cash in your wallet, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, let's begin. Number 1, become a mobile freelancer. You can earn money by becoming a freelancer and selling your services online using a mobile phone. The potential to make money is huge, but make sure you learn a high-paying skill set before expecting to get filthy rich. Some people do part-time mobile freelancing by writing content and editing videos using mobile apps like Filmora Go and Viva Video. You can also earn by designing graphics using mobile apps such as Canva and Picture Editor. If you're serious about earning money using a mobile phone, it is important to research and ensure that you have enough experience to land contracts for jobs that you're qualified for. Number 2, start a YouTube channel. Another great way to earn money using phones in 2022 is by starting a YouTube channel immediately. If you are passionate about something and would like to share it with the world, it's a good idea to turn your passion into some genuine income. Everything can be done using a mobile phone, from channel creation to shooting the video and uploading the video. Many of big YouTubers today started earning money from YouTube merely by just utilizing their phone. Don't think about the competition and who will watch your videos. Select the niche in which you are interested and start making good content. Be consistent and upload videos frequently. You'll start getting traction, engagement, and money will soon follow. There are many ways to monetize the YouTube platform, from AdSense revenue from the YouTube Partner Program to sponsorship opportunities to making a truckload of money with affiliate marketing. Number 3, buy and sell domain names. If you are interested in becoming a domain name investor, you can do it all using a phone and earn a good profit from it. Just find good domains that are brandable and easy to remember from domain sites like GoDaddy, HostGator, and DreamHost. Sell those domains at a good profit ratio and earn some money. Some good websites to sell domain names include Flippa and Motion Invest. Number 4, earn money by selling photos. If you are a good photographer and like to click photos wherever you are, you can earn cash out of this hobby. Just click some amazing pictures and sell them on picture galleries like Shutterstock. You can do this all by using a smartphone. Just snap some good pictures, download a good photo editing app, and sell your edited photos on gallery websites. The more your photos sell, the more money you'll earn. Shutterstock typically pays anywhere between 10 cents and $5.80 per photo. Number 5, take surveys and earn money. Taking online surveys might seem illegitimate, but it's not. Most people think surveys are scams because payouts tend to be low. But like Mama told me, every penny counts. So believe it or not, online surveys can earn you a good amount of side cash if you are serious about it. Many legal websites offer you decent cash payouts for the surveys that you take. For example, Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars are highly rated and the most popular websites that give away money for taking surveys and answering simple questions at the end. Survey Junkie is another good money-making site. So if others are making money with these sites, why can't you? Best of all, you can do it all with your smartphone in the comfort of your own home. Number 6, become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the best way to earn extra cash using your mobile phone. Just promote products and earn a commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. You can do this by signing up with free affiliate networks like ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Once you get your affiliate link, you recommend products and services to friends and family by emailing, texting, or posting on social media. Sites like ClickBank and Amazon Associates give you access to thousands of products that people buy online daily. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, be sure to go below and check the link in the description. Number 7, sell your old things. We all have some old and unwanted things that take up space in our homes, so why not make money selling those things? There are several good websites where you can sell your used secondhand goods and earn a good amount rather than throwing them out in the trash. It can be old machinery, old clothes, some paintings, old photo frames, decoration pieces, outdated furniture, your old laptop. I mean, you can sell all of your old stuff in Facebook groups, eBay, or declutter applications. Number 8. Handle social media tasks for business. We all love to scroll and post on social media all day long, but did you know that you can get paid for doing the same for others? Some businesses are willing to pay you to manage their social media accounts. You can do this from any location if you know your way around a phone, including tweeting, updating Facebook, and responding to inquiries from clients when they contact you. The fact that you can get paid to be the voice of a firm is one of the coolest things about this opportunity. Businesses operating in every industry, especially those operating on a small scale, are looking for assistance with their social media presence. This is where individuals such as you come into the picture. If you think this is something you would be interested in, you can start looking for jobs related to social media on an app such as FlexJobs. Number 9. Sell your data. The idea that you can sell your data by putting an application on your phone may be considered a breach of personal privacy by some individuals. However, even if you don't believe that to be the case, the fact remains that this is one of the best methods to make money off of your phone without having to put in any effort. For instance, Nielsen is among the most well-known and successful market research companies in the entire world. Because of this, they are interested in watching what you do on your phone and are even prepared to pay you. Downloading a safe mobile application is all required to participate in the computer and mobile panel offered by Nielsen. This will provide the organization with the critical data required for market research, as the software will follow and record how you use your phone. When you sign up, you can earn up to $50 worth of points redeemed for gift cards. Number 10. Become a mobile tutor using your phone. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject matter or topic, you can use your mobile phone to tutor other individuals. With technology these days, traditional face-to-face tutoring is not needed. You can simply use apps on your phone like Zoom, Teams, and even FaceTime on your phone to virtually be in front of your client at a designated time. As long as your phone has a good charge, then you won't have a problem. Charge whatever you feel is reasonable and fair for the time that you put in with the client. Also, you'll be able to see more clients because you're not physically driving anywhere, plus you get the benefit of saving a ton in gas, especially with gas prices these days. So we hope that you found this list helpful and you will use it to make money with your phone. Let me know in the comment section which one you think you'd be willing to try. Don't think too much about it, just pick a method or two and start making some side hustle cash. And with that, we'll wrap up this video. But before leaving, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video to show your support and love. Hit that bell icon to never miss any of our video notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.